Because you'll soon see how every penny of potential profit can be traced back to Wall Street's best-kept secret. Penny stocks. Bought and sold for less than $5 a share, these fast-gaining stocks trade on well-known exchanges like the Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange. Not all penny stocks are duds. Far from it. About 2.68% are the titans of tomorrow. Small, innovative companies who are about to careen up the stock market growth chart. Because it's safe to say, many started out intimidated by the mere thought of trading a stock, only to discover that it's much simpler than Wall Street insiders want you to know. How simple? As simple as making a short phone call or clicking your mouse a few times on a website. And because they took action, these everyday Americans have become the unexpected winners in the race to wealth. Their prize? Instant investment income, and a growing nest egg that can support every wish they have for their family's future. Every single wish. It's not going too far to say, those who wisely invest in high-quality penny stocks have every right to ask, what recession? And here's why. Since April 2000, the value of the S&P 600, the index that tracks small-cap penny stock companies, has roared up 117%. Remember that in the very same time span, pricey household name stocks destroyed $9.6 trillion of hard-won wealth. Yet, unknown to most investors, as the rest of our economy tanked, these overlooked penny dynamos hung tough, dishing out returns of 362%, 566%, and 1,150%. The best part is, this is nothing new. Jaw-dropping profits have been secretly flowing from penny stocks for decades. Tom Gardner, an investing historian, states that small-cap stocks have substantially outperformed the overall market over the past 40 years. That's right, these under-the-radar stocks that sell for less than $5 a share, and often for literally pennies, have been the most explosive investments in any portfolio since back in the good old days. Back when gas was only 36 cents a gallon, and a visit to the Exxon didn't feel like a mugging. But I know what you're asking yourself. Since these dirt-cheap stocks can soar in value so fast, why don't I hear about them on CNBC or Fox Business? That's a great question with an easy answer. Penny stocks remain a hidden and almost secret wealth creator for one important reason. They're simply too small for the big investment banks to trade. See, in theory, investment banks could buy hundreds of millions of penny stock shares at once. However, if they did, they'd come up against an insurmountable problem. Their big order would skyrocket the share price, stealing their potential profits. So, because bloated profits aren't on the table, the big bankers simply don't show up. That's why they're always wallflowers at this almost secret profit party. What's more, since the financial media are in the pockets of the big banks, they don't point their cameras at penny stocks, however eye-popping their returns. It's no wonder so few people know about penny stocks, or take advantage of their dizzying climbs in price. And you know what? It's actually better this way, because it lets us monopolize these almost secret stocks for ourselves. You know, let's back up for 1 second. I want you to really imagine this. I mean, really go there in your head. How different would life be today if you'd got in early on a Goliath like Walmart, when it was a little-known upstart? What about Cisco? Microsoft? Dell? You know how life turned out for early investors in these Wall Street darlings. They live high off the hog, financially set for the rest of their lives, but only because they got in quick and early. They acted before the investing masses jumped on, shooting the share price from dirt cheap to downright extortion. And best of all, you can join my subscriber family today with absolutely no risk. Here's why. I'm giving you a totally risk-free 8-week trading test drive to put my penny picks through their paces. I'm taking all the risk off your shoulders and putting it onto mine. That's why at the end of our 8-week trading test drive, you must be 100% thrilled by the profits you're seeing, or I insist you write me for a full refund of your first 2 monthly $97 payments. Hang on. Hold those horses. Let's scratch the idea of $97 monthly payments. That would add up to over $1,000 a year. That's a lot to ask these days, even if it grows your money at a triple-digit rate. How about this instead? For those of you who act fast, I'll give you unlimited lifetime access to every penny stock egghead pick for only one payment of just $97. That's right, you won't pay another cent, ever. And you can join other penny stock egghead subscribers with zero risk to your money. Because, if you prefer, you can paper trade my picks for as long as you like. If you're a new investor, paper trading simply means until you see just how much profit you're missing out on, you can track the prices of my penny picks risk-free without investing any real money. However, be warned, you won't want a paper trade for too long. Not when the picks I send you can spike in price so quickly. It's tough not to get in on the fun when you see everyone else's pennies turning into $100 bills. One thing though, I need you to promise me something. You must be blown away by the profits you're seeing, or I absolutely insist you write me for a 100% refund of your money. With the clear understanding that there's no risk to you whatsoever, you can click the link under this video and get started immediately. So, what are you waiting for? I'm prepping some big picks at the moment and I want you to get in early on them. Go ahead, click on the link below this video and be next to join my subscriber family.